If your Godaddy website is showing a 404 error, don't worry. In most cases, this is a quick WordPress fix, and you can get your site loading again in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem, starting with permalinks, cache, and then plugins, which are some of the most common causes of 404 errors on a Godaddy-hosted WordPress site. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website fixes and WordPress tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to yourdomain/wp-admin. This is your WordPress dashboard, where you can check the settings that control how your website links are structured. Log in using your WordPress credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing to check is whether your permalinks are broken. This is one of the most common reasons a website suddenly starts showing 404 errors, especially after a migration, update, or plugin change. To do that, open the WordPress admin menu, go to Settings, and then click Permalinks. When the Permalinks page opens, don't change anything yet. Just click Save Changes. Even if you do not edit a single setting, this action refreshes WordPress rewrite rules and often fixes broken links immediately. After saving, go back and refresh your website in the browser to see if the page loads correctly now. If the 404 error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Sometimes your browser stores an old, broken version of the page, and that can make it look like the issue is still active even after you fix it. To clear the cache, click the browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner. Then choose Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files are selected, then clear the data. Once that is done, reload your website and check the page again. If the error continues, the next likely cause is a plugin conflict. Plugins can sometimes change how pages and links behave, and one bad plugin update can cause 404 errors across parts of your site. To test this, go back to WordPress admin, click Plugins, then Install Plugins. From there, disable all plugins. After disabling them, refresh your website again and check if the 404 error is gone. If the site starts working, that tells you one of the plugins was the cause. At that point, enable the plugins one by one, refreshing the site after each one until you find the plugin creating the issue. That step-by-step process is the safest way to isolate the problem without guessing. Once you find the plugin causing the error, you can update it, replace it, or remove it if needed. If your site is still showing a 404 after all of that, then the issue may be deeper. But in many cases, simply resetting permalinks, clearing cache, and disabling a conflicting plugin will solve it. The good news is that these steps are fast, safe, and do not require advanced technical skills. So to recap, go to WP admin, log in, reset your permalinks by saving changes, clear your browser cache, and then disable plugins to test for conflicts. That workflow fixes a lot of Godaddy WordPress 404 errors. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more WordPress troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.